Hello, and welcome to this video on the importance of reading and learning English. As an English teacher, I can attest to the fact that reading is one of the most effective ways to become fluent in the English language. In this video, I will explain why reading is so important and how it can help you become fluent in English. First of all, let's talk about what fluency is. Fluency is the ability to speak and understand a language with ease and confidence. It is the ability to communicate effectively in a language. To become fluent in English, you need to have a good grasp of the grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation of the language. So, how does reading help with fluency? Well, reading is a great way to expose yourself to the grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation of the language. When you read, you come across new words and phrases, and you learn how to use them correctly in context. You also learn about the different structures and patterns of the language, which can help you with your own speaking and writing. Reading also helps with vocabulary development. When you read, you come across new words and phrases, which you can add to your vocabulary. The more words you know, the more you can express yourself in English. Additionally, reading allows you to see words in context, which makes it easier to remember them. Moreover, reading also helps with pronunciation. When you read, you see how words are spelled and how they are pronounced. This can help you with your own pronunciation and make it easier for you to understand spoken English. Reading also helps with understanding the culture and the people who speaks the language. When you read, you learn about the customs, beliefs, and values of the people who speak the language. This can help you understand the context of the language and make it easier for you to communicate with native speakers. Now, what are the best materials to read to improve fluency? The answer is that it varies depending on the individual. Some people prefer fiction, while others prefer nonfiction. Some people like to read books in their field of interest, while others prefer to read books that are completely different from their field of interest. The key is to find something that you enjoy and that you can stick with. However, it is essential to read materials that are appropriate for your level of English. If you're a beginner, it's best to start with materials that are written for children or for beginners. As you become more advanced, you can move on to materials that are more difficult. It is also helpful to read materials that are written in a style that is similar to what you want to be able to write or speak. In conclusion, reading is an essential activity for English learners. It is a very effective way to improve your English language skills and to gain insight into English cultures. It helps with grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, and understanding the culture. Remember, the key is to find something that you enjoy and that you can stick with. With regular practice, reading can help you become fluent in English.